Today we're diving into some hilarious, but harmless pranks that'll leave your friends laughing. From fake spills to sweet surprises, these tricks are super easy to pull off. Just remember, pranking is all about having fun together, so always be ready with a smile and a genuine apology if needed. Let's go! Take a Mentos candy and carefully thread a needle with string through it. Place the candy over the neck of the Coca-Cola bottle, holding the ends of the string, and screw the lid on. Now give the bottle to your friend. When they open the cap, the candy will fall into the soda, creating a powerful fountain. Mix milk with cocoa and gelatin, stir thoroughly until smooth. Take plastic straws and fill them with the resulting mixture. Let it set in the refrigerator. Then carefully squeeze out the contents. You'll get realistic chocolate worms. Crumble your favorite dessert, distribute it on plates, and add gummy worms on top. This dessert is perfect for a fun Halloween party or just to prank kids. Fill a glass about 1/3 full with water. Cover it with a plastic card or thick paper. While holding the card, quickly flip the glass upside down. Carefully slide the card out from under the glass. The water will stay inside. When someone lifts the glass, the water will spill onto the table. Blow up a balloon, but not too much. Attach it to the door. Stick a thumbtack to the wall nearby using double-sided tape, with the point facing outward. When the door opens, the balloon will pop upon touching the thumbtack. Don't do this prank with small children or people who have heart or nervous system issues. A simple water prank for the kitchen. Cut a small piece of clear tape and carefully stick it to the faucet spout, directing it sideways. Water will flow in an unexpected direction. When someone tries to get water, they'll get an unexpected shower. Let's prank parents with a sweet surprise. Take a baby diaper, spread some melted chocolate or Nutella inside. Show the dirty diaper to the other parent, and for added convincibility, even taste the sweetness. Cut small nails in half. Wrap your finger with a bandage. Draw blood dots with a red marker on both sides of the finger. Attach the nail halves on both sides to create the impression that the nail goes through. Perfect for a zombie costume or a horror-themed party. Squeeze a large drop of hot glue onto parchment paper and let it completely set. Paint the hardened drop with nail polish in a bright color. After drying, carefully remove from the paper. Place the drop on the phone screen. Put an open bottle of nail polish nearby. Looks like a real catastrophe. Be sure to apply a screen protector and put on a phone case. Apply hot glue to a screwdriver and attach it to the case. Stick the drill bit to the screen protector, also using hot glue. Enable the broken glass effect on the screen. Done. Looks like a real catastrophe with a drill going through the phone. Wait until your friend leaves the table. Open the lid of their cola cup, dip the straw in sauce and return the straw to the cup. Close the lid. Now instead of refreshing cola, your friend will get a surprise of ketchup or sauce. Carefully detach the metal clip and string from the tea bag. Add a spoon of soap to the tea. Reattach the string with a stapler. Carefully close the tea bag. When someone brews this tea, they'll get a salty surprise. Immediately after the first sip, warn them about the prank and offer normal tea. When your friend is absorbed in work at the computer, secretly thread a zip tie through their jeans belt loop and chair handle. Tighten the zip tie and now your friend is tied to the chair. Take a long piece of toilet paper, fold it carefully. Attach a small piece of double-sided tape to one end. Place it on a couch or chair with the sticky side up. When your friend stands up, a trail of toilet paper will follow them. Take a washable marker for children's crafts and draw a small pattern on the smartphone screen where the ear usually is during calls. When a friend answers the phone, the drawing will transfer to their ear. Make a small hole in the bottom of a Coca-Cola can. Drain the soda and pour milk through the hole. Then carefully seal the hole. Clean the coin thoroughly before using. When your friend opens the can, instead of the usual cola, they'll get a surprise. Immediately after the prank, offer your friend a real cola. Crush dry cereal into crumbs. Mix with toothpaste. Form it into a cake. Pour chocolate paste on top. Decorate with M&Ms. Looks appetizing, but the taste will surprise. After the first bite, treat your friend to pre-prepared normal cakes where instead of toothpaste there's whipped cream or condensed milk, for example. Take a small box, fill it with confetti or glittery tinsel, or other very light items. Cut out the bottom of the box. Stick a do not touch sign on the side. Place a sheet of paper underneath. Put the box on top of a cabinet and carefully remove the paper. Curiosity won't let anyone pass by a mysterious box with a prohibition sign. When they take it down, a glittery rain will fall from above. Don't put heavy or sharp objects in the box. Creating a prank with a wormy apple. Choose a beautiful apple. Carefully make a small hole near the stem and place a gummy worm inside. Let it peek out a little. When your friend or child takes the apple, they'll get an unpleasant surprise. Carefully open a bag of chips and pour out the contents. Fill the pack with crumpled toilet paper. Carefully seal with hot glue so there are no visible signs of opening. Make sure the hot glue is completely dry and hasn't gotten inside the bag. Now instead of crunchy chips, there's a soft surprise inside. Save the real chips to treat your friend after the prank. Spread white yogurt evenly on the bottom of a plate. Carefully place half a canned peach in the center. Looks exactly like an appetizing fried egg. When your friend tries the sunny side up, they'll get a sweet surprise.